Hey explorers, I'm Steven, and today we're traveling beyond our solar system to see what's inside a galaxy. A galaxy is a massive collection of stars, planets, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way, and it's home to our solar system. The Milky Way is shaped like a giant spiral, with arms made of stars and gas. It's so big it would take light 100,000 years to cross from one side to the other. Our sun is just one of about 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. Many of those stars have their own planets, just like our solar system. That means there could be billions of other worlds out there. At the center of our galaxy is a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. Black holes have gravity so strong that even light can't escape. Galaxies come in many shapes: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Spiral galaxies spin with glowing arms, like cosmic pinwheels. Elliptical galaxies are round and smooth, made mostly of old stars. Irregular galaxies look wild and messy, like space fireworks. There are more than 2 trillion galaxies in the universe that we can see. Galaxies live in groups and clusters, like families of stars. They can even collide, mixing stars and gas to form new galaxies. But don't worry, stars inside them rarely crash. Space is huge. When galaxies collide, they create new stars. That's cosmic recycling. Every galaxy has its own story, how it was born and how it changes over time. Our Milky Way is slowly moving toward our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4 billion years, they'll merge into one giant galaxy. Galaxies glow because of stars, gas, and light from every corner of the cosmos. They're the building blocks of the universe, like cosmic cities full of stars. So what's inside a galaxy? Stars, planets, gas, dust, and endless mystery. Every twinkle in the night sky is part of something much, much bigger. We're just one tiny spark in a galaxy full of billions. Exploring galaxies helps us understand where we come from and where we're going. Stay curious, explorers, and keep thinking galactic.